Chijioke, you think you keep shouting. Shout over. You think I'm not videoing it? You think I'm not videoing it? Keep shouting. Okay. Hey.
What is the problem?
Keep shouting. Oga, keep raising your voice.
Why are you even blocking my road?
Keep raising your voice.
Why are you blocking my road?
Keep raising your voice.
The phone,
Don't touch me. I said this thing and people.
Give me my phone.
I said this and people think I don't know what I'm saying. See it. Chijioke has locked this place. Chijioke wants to leave. I
did not lock anywhere.
You did. Where do you think you are? What kind of lie is this? Chijioke, what is this? Oh, okay, where is the key?
I look for the key. You will
Hey,
see.
Jesus.
This camera woman.
Camera what?
This door is open.
This is the you want to use it. This is the door. This is where he wants to use to leave.
If I want
this
to lock
place
it,
leads to the backyard. This is
now.
Okay, where is that? I'm holding his phones. This is the only reason why he's still here. I'm holding his phones. Chijioke, why did you lock? Okay, why did you lock him? Why did you lock him?
Locking how?
Why are you locking me?
I'm not locking you.
So where is the key to that door?
That door is normally locked now.
Okay, well, oh yeah. Chief Tata, you need in your pocket.
Why are
you twisting this for crying out loud? Bring out everything that is in your pocket.
Why?
Jesus. Why? You say, where is the key? Where is the key? The key to that, yes, that main entrance door.
I don't want to push you. Name phone.
Chief Tata, you need it in your pocket. Can you now your kitty?
Ijoma, there's no.
Oh yeah, no.
Ijoma,
come and go.
There's nothing.
You're not ready to leave. Bring out what is in your pocket.
Siam.
Chijioke,
there is nothing in my pocket. Siam. Ijoma.
Nee.
Ijoma.
You're embarrassing yourself. You're embarrassed. You think it's me you're doing. You are an embarrassment to men. You are an embarrassment to the men in your lineage, to the men in your generation. You put an embarrassment. Embodiment of embarrassment. One single truth you don't have in your mouth. Shebi people have seen it. You people have seen it. Therefore,
I thought that you were born again.
Come and go. Every day you are leaving this house, you will lock me up as if I'm a dog that is being caged. Open the report. I'm not against. Oh, go and make fashion. See am. It was my business. However you choose to dress. Also, dress like in the Fulani. Dress like in the. It is none of my business. So also guy buye jirgisi. Nee. What can one you make guy? You like glass. Bara watch. You do chain. You go out now, go. I'm not against you going anywhere. But you dare not leave me locked up in this house. Oh man, Chijioke, read my lips. It will never happen. Not under my watch. It will never. It will never happen. Mwah. Okay, everything I keep telling you people think I'm lying.
Okay, fine. Yeah? I cannot leave you in this house with my son. You want to go?
It's your son.
I cannot leave you.
Chijioke son, Obramo amwe. Not be me born the pikin. This your son, not be me born him. Had it been I was aborting it like all the girls used to abort for you. Will you see him?
None of my girlfriends did.
None of
my girlfriends did abortion for me.
Had they been I removed him the way they used to, all the girls, both presently now, all the ones they used to remove it for you. Will you see this son now to come and possess?
Don't accuse me of infidelity. I don't do that shit.
Yeah, I know that shit. Be a poor now. Where are you going to? Where are you going to? That you are dressed like this. Where are you going to?
I'm going to go and see my Yoruba colleagues.
You have Yoruba colleagues. You.
Yes.
Giwa.
And we're meeting with Yoruba.
They know Zapwa. Go. Chijioke, go. What is not stopping you?
Nyem phones to me now.
What? Nyegi phones again. Nyem key.
Ijoma, what do you want in this house now, Deria? Tell me what.
Chijioke, give me key. Then if you like, go and never return in your life. I don't care. What if I'm not using you for anything. There's nothing. I don't need you. There is nothing you are doing for me. You are very. I don't want to say this, but it is so useless to me. I don't need you. There's nothing you are doing to me. So, Pua, I don't need you. Go.
And
the only thing I need from you is keys.
So where do you want to go?
Okay, what's the business where I want to go?
What do you need keys for now?
So why are you locking me?
I need a housewife.
Housewife?
Yes.
Housewife, how? Why do you see about housewife? Anything. I'm not stopping him from going anywhere. The only thing I said is give me the keys. You cannot, it will never, not under my watch will he ever lock me again. Never. Abromu onuku.
You are not a dog. I know backing like one. If you want, I'm not shouting at you.
Why will you shout? Have you not been shouting? Immediately with the camera. So that people will think that you are gentle. You got gentility. Pick up Pugodi. I'm not giving you anything. Away from these phones that I'm holding. Can't you see the Yoruba ones? It is even none of my business. I know where you are going to, and it's any place. Oh yeah, Ibutoya, Obuogi. I'm a man. You will not infest my body, infect me with any disease that you carry. Obunoya, Igebuteri. It is mandatory because only Obuna Tiaka Nike. It is you cannot be cooking beans and expect to eat rice and expect the rice to turn to beans. So keep anything you are doing, keep doing it.
Are you normal? Like are you sure that you are mentally okay? Can you not read? Don't you know I go to work? Don't you know that I go to meeting?
Oga work, minister of work.
You are the housewife here. You should stay at home.
Housewife.
And if you insist on me opening the door, wait.
Be going to where you are going to now.
If you insist on me keeping the door open, that means I will live with my child though.
Hey.
I will leave, or I will call the L0ck come and stay with him here.
If you like, call your dead mother to come and stay with us. Stay with him. It is none of your business. It is your own business. The only thing I need is give me keys. Nyamuki. Iwe ichikora balasa phone na. Nyamuki. Ichikora phone. Thank God for record keeping. Thank God. If not that I started this thing I'm doing. If not I started this video. Okay, he has locked the only door open here. The only door that is open is the kitchen door and my bedroom door. Oh, he has closed the main entrance. Kita actually see na kedi mafia and backyard go what you call backyard boy. Then his slave will not stay inside the house. If this light goes off, I cannot ungen. I'll have to call him. Then he will now either call Adamu or he will come himself.
What are you on in jail for? You want to go on and left where now? Don't you know the subsidy? Eh? They have removed subsidy everywhere. I have removed subsidy in this house too. I have removed every subsidy.
Just give me keys.
Ichoma, if you want me to give you keys, then I will go with my child. I'll go to where I'm going to with Otochukwu. I will carry him and go. Simple.
If I don't give you your phones, for you to give me keys, you have to go with Otochukwu.
I'll go with yes. I'll go with our child.
Chijioke, go with him. Chijioke, go with him. Go with him, Chijioke, go.
I've always known that you are heartless.
You will not be using my child to manipulate me. Mba. You will not be using him to you will never. Chijioke, go with him. Go with him.
I should go with him.
Yes.
To where I'm going to.
Everybody like that. Give me keys. Just give me the keys. Go with him.
You agree that I should go with him?
Yes.
Why?
What kind of useless question is that? Go with him now. That is the only reason why you give me the keys, right?
Yes.
I go with him.
Ijoma, how do you expect me to go with him? How do you expect me to go with him?
This guy doesn't even think I'm joking. Think I'm here to joke.
How do you expect me to
start bringing his bag? Let me gather the things you need.
How do I carry a child to the meeting? I thought you were joking.
Me joking. Yeah, this is the water thing. You thought I'm joking. Oga thought is. Daddy, you are going to pack the knife physical phone. Every time you be using, go with him. Go. Take. Also, if you want to steal. Go and bring back, pack it, and why are you getting in as your name?
So wait, you want me to carry a toddler?
Did you not say you will go with him?
So.
Did you not say you will go with him? Or did you not say you will go with him?
So I'll be there.
What kind of where will you be? Just give me keys. I've even helped you to gather things. Just take anything. However you want to do it. Anything. Anyhow, however you want. It's your. Wait. Okay. See who? The quiet.
How will I carry Golibe out?
How? So why did you now say you want to go? You think it's me that you betrayed me? Daddy? Yeah. Again, sorry.
Chijoma.
Chijioke.
Chijoma.
Take the baby. Shebi, you said you want to.
How can I take a newborn baby out?
Yeah.
Hey,
so why did you now use him? You want to be. Why did you now say if the only reason why you will give me the kiss is when you take.
I'm trying to test your motherhood. Let me test your.
Let me test your own fatherhood.
I should take a newborn baby out where me and my friends are.
Tomorrow. I don't care. By the time you want to speak to me again, you will not be playing this card, telling me you got Chijioke, carry the baby and go. Why are you still sitting there? Name kiss fast. Tomorrow you will not be playing this card with me. You see me? Yeah, you want to go? Yeah. No. Okay, I'm joking. No, your phones. Take your phones. Give me keys. Give me keys now. Okay. What is this? Oga, I'm giving you baby. You have your phones. Give me keys. Let me. Give me keys. Go. Any nature, EJ. Go.
My love, I cannot take the baby out. You know I was joking.
Joker.
There's no man that the job is to take care of a newborn baby. So if he's now hungry that he wants to suck breast.
Which breast? Which breast, Chijioke?
Doesn't he suck breast? Sometimes.
Chijioke, give me keys. Nyam key. About nature, EJ. Epoa. Think is it was also so good and apuala no wa. It was also so good and apuala na yata. Biapo. Hey, it is well. It is well. I this one is God.
Come and carry your child. Let me go where I'm going to. Take your baby. Come and take your baby.
From nature, you don't want to go where you want to go to.
Whenever you are the phone again.
I'm not. Whenever you are ready to do anything you want to do, name key. You are already with the child. I will give you your phones. You go. And just let me go and lie down.
I have other things I want to do.